Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo Y16 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for your phone. Okay, so let's get started. At the third place of our top is theme Niagara Launcher. So to install this theme, open Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher and install it. Click open and great. Now wait a while, click on agree and continue button, select your favorite apps and click OK. Great. As you can see, it's a really user-friendly and minimalistic interface. In order to find an application in this launcher, you just need to touch your finger to the alphabet and drag your finger to the desired letter. For example, if you want to find Play Store, so just find P later, and here you will have Play Store. Great. On the second place in our top is Smart Launcher 6. So find this launcher and install. Click open. Click get started. I agree, confirm, continue while using the app. Hello. Confirm. Click on the cross in the right up corner and great. Here we have a really great and beautiful launcher with a handy application grouping function I will show you. So open your app drawer and here you have grouped all your apps. Here we have contacts, here we have internet applications, here we have games. I have no games, so this category is empty. Here I have all my media, here all utilities and settings. So great. Here you have search, and if you want to find fastly any application, just click on the first letter of the name of this application and you will find quickly needed application. Okay, and in the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. It's the best launcher for your device, I swear. But it's not work on this device. Wait, I need to reload this page. Okay, now it's okay. So install Microsoft Launcher. Click open. Click get started. Click while using the app. Hello. Continue. And in this tab, you can sign in to Microsoft account. I will not sign in now, but I recommend you to sign in Microsoft account. Why? Because if you will connect Microsoft account to this launcher, then you will be able to receive messages and receive calls on your Windows device. So if you have Windows laptop or PC, so you can create a mini ecosystem with your phone and your Microsoft device. I will skip it now, but you need to know about it. So here, choose your favorite apps, click continue, let's go, later. Okay, so great. Here we have a simple home screen. Here we have glance, it's our widgets panel. Here we have remove widgets we don't need, or you can add widgets you need, you use for every day. click create, and as you can see here we have Google Calendar widget. Here we have app drawer, and we have favorite apps panel. And why I love this launcher? Of course, because synchronization with Microsoft device, and because you can configure this launcher as you want. So you can change here everything. You can change wallpaper, themes, dock, app drawer, gestures. Just take a look closer on gestures. You have really many gestures. Pinch out, pinch in, double tap, double tap, swipe up, double tap, swipe down, double tap, two finger swipe up, swipe down. So it's a really customizable launcher. You can back up your data from this launcher and use it on any other Android device with this launcher. You can choose search preferences. Okay, so it's a really great customizable launcher, and of course you can install any icon pack from the Play Store, because this launcher works with any icons pack from Play Store. Okay, so that's it. I hope I help you to choose the best launcher for your device, and if you like any of short launchers, so just write about it in comments. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.